go. My loves, can you make sure your masks are all the way up for me, please? Since we're all together on the carpet. You guys are doing great today. My loves, I only have one stick in and then they all go back in. How many days are there in a week? You guys remembered yesterday after being gone for a week and a half. How many days in a week? London. You got it, sweetie. Sing with me. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Good singing. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Awesome. Zaya, you need to pull your mask all the way up. If yesterday was Tuesday, what day is today? Raise your hand. What day comes after Tuesday? Look, you see a W. Mason, what is today? Wednesday. It is Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. W-E-D. W-E-D. Good job. N-E-S. N-E-S. Good job. D-A-Y. D-A-Y. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. Wednesday, Wednesday, Wednesday. I'm going to have to ask Miss Kudek later if she could hear us down by her office, or Mr. Barch. Good job, my loves. Today is Wednesday. How many months are there in 1 year? How many months, Tamia? There are 12. 12 months in a year. My loves, you can stand. How should we sing today, Tamia? Slow motion today. Careful, Samir, so you don't hit your head. Samir, yep, you can just stand right there, and then when you want to sit back down, you can open it up. Okay, sweetie? She said slow motion. Are you guys ready? Yeah. Don't stand on it, sweetie. Just, there you go. Here. I'm sorry, babe. Oh, my clock. London, thank you for helping him, sweetie. I appreciate that. No, I didn't. London, thank you. You're going to get 2 extra tickets in just a second. Slow motion. Tamia, you said? Here we go. Like you're a robot moving so slowly. Here we go. Ready? Set. Go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. Good job. My loves, you may have a seat. That was cute. That was really cute. Oh, thanks, babe. Thank you, London. My loves, today is Mr. G's birthday, our principal's birthday. He's not in here right now. Maybe I'll have to have him come in here so we can tell him happy birthday. Happy birthday. But we need to know what date it is. Thank you, Nazir. If yesterday was April 13th, what's the date for Mr. G's birthday today? Adelia. The 14th. What does the number 14 look like, sweetie? A 1 and a 4. Thanks, Nazir. And sweetie, what shape comes after a rectangle? A square. You got it. All the sides are exactly the same. All right. I need a date writer. And my last stick in here is Jair. Can you pull your mask all the way up for me, sweetie? And all the sticks go back in so you all get a chance. Jair, do you want help or do you want to do it all by yourself? Okay, he said all by himself. London, I'm going to grab you 2 tickets for helping him out. The rest of you are being so patient. Okay, my loves, when Mr. G comes in, I'll say 1, 2, 3, and then you can say, happy birthday, Mr. G. Okay? I texted him to see if he could come in quick. I know he has a meeting at 11. Or at 9. So I texted him to see if he could come in so we could tell him happy birthday. Nice job, sweetheart. L. Yep, that's an L. I know the cloud's over top, so it's kind of hard to tell if that's an L or not. And then your date. Yep. And your cute little comma. Yep. Cute little comma. Good job, Jair. You did that all by yourself. You only had to look up here how to spell. You knew everything else. What was your girl say? Thanks, Jair.
Thanks, Jair.
High five, babe. Awesome. You can walk carefully back. My loves, thanks for having your hands in your lap so they don't accidentally get squished as a friend walks by. Jair, next time, the only thing, sweetie, is make sure your numbers go top to bottom. Okay, my love? Otherwise, you did great. My loves, let's read the date together. I'm going to stand so I don't have to get down there. So my big old belly's making it hard for me to stand back up. Grab your microphones. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Good morning, Milwaukee. Today's date is April 14th, 2020. Say happy birthday, Mr. G.
Happy birthday, Mr. G.
He's not in here yet, but when he does come in, then we are ready to say to him, hey, what are we counting by? Raise your hand. What are we counting by? Chelsea. Not 1,000s. 1. You're right. We're counting all the way up to 1,000. But we're counting by what, Bridget? We're counting by 100s. Yeah. My loves, count with me. You guys rock at this. Ready? Set. Go. 100, 200, 300. Stop. I need somebody to come and finish. And all my sticks are back in. That means you all get a chance to help me today, tomorrow. Ryan, would you come up, my sweet? Watch carefully if he makes a mistake. Remember, you don't want to make people feel bad, but raise your hand. Then you can help him fix his mistake. You're being very polite and saying, excuse me, Ryan. Mask up too, babe. Yes, Tamia.
I thought on the weekend,
Mm-hmm.
I thought Rosie was supposed to come over after my mom's graduation.
Oh, maybe next weekend. Oh, he's doing great. He got 400. Jordan's watching, making sure he's doing it right. Good teacher eyes. Nice. Good job, Ryan. He didn't even need to look up here. Boys and girls say, whoa, baby, Ryan. He did great. High five, sweetie. I am proud of you. Now, I guess you guys must have remembered from yesterday. It's okay. Then his 6 has a little line right there. My love, smart mathematicians always double check. He did great. We did this yesterday on our math worksheet, so he must have remembered. Count with me, my loves. Ready, set, go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500,
600.
Say, you got it right.
You got it right.
And so did all of you. Good job, my loves. My sweets, if yesterday was day number 130, what comes after 130? 127, 128, 129, 130. What would come next, Prince? Not 114. After 130. Look, after 30 comes 1. So 130. Yeah, and what would 131 look like, sweetheart? What will go first?
1,
And then a?
3,
And then a?
0.
Not a 0. That was yesterday. 131. 1, 3, 1. 131. Can you put that up for me, Prince? 131. Did you guys ever think you'd be able to count that high? You guys are doing great. I need a careful colorer. DeAndre, come on up, sweetheart. Oh, I also need to do my clock helper. DeAndre, you're just going to color one square down here at the bottom for 131. I need hopefully it sticks. There you go. Just one square, sweetheart. Jair, I need a day in school writer. Oh, Jair, come on up, sweetie. If you pull your mask up all the way for me, you're going to write 131. You might need to sneak through and say, excuse me, and maybe some of them can scooch. Look, at Tamia's scooching, so you can sneak through behind DeAndre. There you go, babe. I know my baby is 0 years old right now. He's only 0. 131. Good job. Yes. You can go exercise while you have a baby, but you have to be careful how much you exercise. So I don't go to the gym. I just go for walks with my dogs.
That's pretty good.
All right. Hey, Jair, is 131 even or odd, my love? What number are you going to look at? The last number, 1. Is 1 even or is 1 odd? Odd. You got it, babe. We need to know which number to look at. I need clock helpers. So my analog clock, Bridget. Let me mix this up, Bridget. I want you to pick a friend who's raising their hand to tell you an o'clock or a 30. They can tell you 8:30, 9:30, or 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, whatever they want to tell you. Pick a friend, sweetie. Who would you like? What time should she show, babe?
8 o'clock. Ooh.
Didn't we? We did that one yesterday. We did 8 o'clock yesterday. Can you pick a different one?
8:30.
Ooh, 8:30. 8:30. Jaden, would you come up and write 8:30 for me, sweetheart? That's a good one. 8:30. Thanks for being so careful, Jaden. I got you, babe. Can you write 8:30 for me? My loves, soon we'll do tally marks if you want to quietly count so you know. 8:30, 8:30. You got it, Bridget? Hey, awesome job. I know this one. Oh, I did just make a line in the middle. Thanks, Caleb. Silly Mrs. Barch. There we go. I fixed it. Boys and girls, say thanks, Jaden. Boys and girls, say thanks, Jaden.
Thanks, Jaden.
Say thanks, Bridget.
Thanks, Bridget.
She did it just right. We haven't done this in a while, and she remembered her big hand goes down to the 6. Look this way, sweetheart. And her little hand is between the 8 and the 9. Half past the 8 going to the 9. She did great. You haven't done that for a while, and she remembered. I love it. We're going to do coin cup. Then we're going to do tally marks.
Yay.
My coin cup helper. We mix them all up real good. Hope it's someone sitting on their bottom. Oh, I picked 2 of them. Pick one. Zaya, you haven't done coins ever, I don't think, have you? I'm glad it picked you so you have a turn to do coins. Zaya, when we count coins in our dish, I'm going to sneak past you. Hopefully my baby doesn't bump you in the face. There we go. Whew, my belly's getting bigger. Zaya, what coin do we count first, my love? We count the dimes. How many silver dimes do you see? 3. Can you draw 3 dimes? I need somebody to count these pennies for Zaya while she draws her 3 dimes. Who's not had a turn today? You counted them yesterday for me. Chelsea, you haven't been up here. Can you count these for me? Sweetheart, how much is a dime worth? Yep. Can you write a 10 on top for me? Adelia in London, my sweets. How many pennies, sweetheart?
7.
7 pennies. Can you draw 7 pennies? Good job, Chelsea. Awesome. And Zaya, how much is a penny worth, my love? You got it, babe. Way to go. You guys are on it today. Woo-hoo. Thanks, Chelsea, for helping her out. Yeah, you guys are doing great. You guys always do great. Zaya, would you like help counting, or do you want to do it by yourself? All right, can you step over by the weather graph? Careful of Samir's feet. That's perfect right there. My loves, she would like help count by tens and ones with us. Here we go. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, switch. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 30. How do you write 37? Do you know, babe, what number goes first for 37? What does it sound like? Not a 1. Can you pull your mask all the way up for me? 37. Print. A 3 and a 7 makes 37. Good job, you guys. Helping out your friend. Oh, guess what I didn't have to tell Zaya? She remembered her cent sign. All right, I asked you how many tally marks. Thanks, babe. High five. You can have a seat. Be careful of your friends' fingers. They should be in their lap. How many tally marks do you see? Mason, what do you think? 11. Adelia, what do you think? Prince? Ryan?
11.
Everybody said 11 so far. Kylan?
11.
Hold on. Let me call on you. Jair? 11. Okay, everybody said 11. Tamia? 11. Nazir? Caleb? 11. Jaden? 11. Chelsea? 11. Zaya? 11. And London? Well, after we count, you got to raise your hand, babe, if you want to tell me. How many do you think?
11.
All right, let's count. Then this friend's going to come up and write the number. I'm not going to look at it yet. Count with me, my sweets. Let's see if you're right. Ready? Set. Go. 2, 3, 4. Tally up. 5, 7, 8, 9. Tally up. 10.
11.
Hey, say we're so smart.
We're so smart.
You are. Kiss your brains. Mwah. Good thinking. Your brain's doing all the hard work. Kylan, can you come up and write the number 11? Oh, it's okay. Here, sweetie. Number 11. I got you, babe, so you don't fall. Hands to yourself, my sweet. Yep, twist and pull. You got it, muscles. Good job. Yeah, she's strong. She'd get that cap off. Awesome, Kylan. Yep, if you twist and push, then it goes on. Oh, and you got it. She is strong. Look at, she got it all the way on. Jaden, look this way, babe. I need a weather helper. All my sticks are in here. I hope this person's sitting very quietly in their square. Samir, I picked you again. You did it yesterday. Do you want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right, let's sing for you. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Thanks, Addie. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, snowy. What's the weather like today? All right, what do you think it's like out there? I know it was chilly this morning, but tell me what the weather was like. What did you see in the sky? Mason, what do you predict? I hope it's a sunny day. Yesterday was cloudy, and when we went home, it was chilly. What do you predict, Kylan?
I predict it's sunny. So.
Yeah, it was chilly this morning. I had to get out my scarf and my mittens again. What do you predict, Tamia? You predicted sunny. I hope so. Yesterday was a cloudy day. What do you predict, Zaya? Good sentence, sweetie. Yeah, it can be sunny and cold. The sun can still shine. You just don't feel its warmth. What do you predict, Chelsea? Oh, I hope so. What do you predict, Bridget? You predicted sunny. Prince? Sunny, he says. Adelia? Sunny, she says. Jaden.
I predicted sunny but cloudy.
Sunny, he says. What do you predict, DeAndre?
I predict it's sunny but still cold.
Yeah, it might be. What do you predict, Nazir? Sunny. London. Cloudy? Yeah, you know, sweetheart, I think you might be right. Ryan, what do you predict? Yes to cloudy. What do you predict? Cloudy, what do you predict?
I predict it's
It's her turn.
cloudy, and then the sun's gonna come out.
Oh.
And then when we get out of school, it's gonna start raining.
So she predicts it's cloudy, and then the sun's going to come out, then it's going to start raining. Well, that's a lot of weather in one day, but it can happen. And Jair, oh, at night. Sunny. Hey, babe, what do you see out in the sky?
Sunny.
Is it blue sky?
Yeah.
It is blue and white. So we got blue sky and clouds. So which one would you like, sunny or cloudy? Since you're the weather helper. You want cloudy? You do see more clouds? All right, we'll go with that. Oh, sing with me. It's a cloudy, it's a cloudy, it's a cloudy day. Boo-hoo. It's a cloudy. You're welcome. It's a cloudy day. Boo-hoo is right. Yesterday was cloudy, now today is cloudy. All right. My loves, you got to listen to Samir. I got to ask him some questions. Hey, weather helper Samir. What kind of weather has the most? Look, who has the most on the graph? Who has the most? The biggest, the tallest? Cloudy does. Who has the second most? Nope. Who has the second most? After cloudy, then who has the next tallest? Then it is sunny. And who has the least, sweetheart? Who has the smallest? Now, you got it. My sweets, you may stand in your squares. London, can you scooch that over for him? Bless you, sweetie. Before we go to the bathroom, what should we count by first? Chelsea, what do you think? 100s? All right, what should we do while we count 100s? Hold on, sweetie. We're going to go right after this, babe. What do you think? What do you think, sweetheart? Clap. I love clapping. 100. Start at 100 with me. Ready? Set. Go. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Clap with us, Mason, sweetheart. Chelsea, who would you like to pick? Pick someone standing in their square. Who? Zaya, what should we count by next? You can pick tens, evens, odds, or fives. Odds. What should we do while we count odd numbers, babe? Stomping at 1. Here we go. Ready? Make sure you're counting. Set. Go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 20. Holy cow. You guys get 2 claps on 2. That was the best you've ever said it. Nobody made a mistake. Hold on. I didn't say 2 yet, you goose. 1, 2. Good job, my loves. Ryan, honey, I say it, sweetheart, okay? Zaya, pick a friend who's standing in their square to tell us what we should count by next. She already had a turn. Pick someone who hasn't had a turn yet. Caleb, what should we count by next, sweetheart? You can pick tens, evens, or fives. 5. Sweetheart, do you want to go to 50 or do you want to go all the way to 100? Just to 50. Here we go, starting at 0. Wave at me if I wave to you. That makes me feel good. Ready, set, go. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. What should should we count by next, Caleb? Look for a friend who's standing in the square. Do next, sweetie. We can do evens or tens. Miss Johnson's way or normal, my love? Normal. What should we do while we count by tens? Snap. All right, if you don't know, just pretend. No one's going to know that you don't know how to do it. Snap with me. Ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Good counting, Ryan. I can always hear you. Adelia, who's our last friend? Who's going to tell us what to count by? Jordan.
Evens.
Evens. What should we do, babe? You're doing a good job. Going in just a second, sweetie, okay?
6.
We're just going to swing our arms back and forth. Be careful that you don't hit your friend next to you.
Actually, I want to act like this. No.
Zero, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, Jaden, 14, 16, 18, 20. Good job, my little zombies. Turn back into kids, please. My sweets, you may have a seat. My line leader is DeAndre. You may go line up and pick a friend who's sitting super quietly. Karina and Mitchell, we'll see you soon for reading. Bye, my sweets. Bridget chooses who?